Join me on this video as we discuss the most common landscape lighting fixtures known as path lights. Hey, let's give your property a little TLC. No doubt that path lights are extremely versatile and can be used to add functionality and beauty to many areas of your property. But one of the most challenging aspects of path lighting is determining where to place the fixture. Simply follow these steps to create an eye-catching outdoor nightscape that will enhance the beauty of your home. There are 4 places on your property where path lights should be installed. Number 1, entrances. Front entrances leading up to the house require the most path lighting. Putting up lights on the sidewalks leading to your house allows you and your guests to be safely guided to the front doors. Guests will find your home inviting and stunning. When installing path lights to the entrances, it is important to stagger them on each side of the walkway so that the light casts in an even and purposeful manner. The spacing is meant to provide a clear path without overlighting. Number 2, pathways. Lights should be installed on any pathway that leads to the outdoor living spaces in your front or backyard. Incorporating path lights into the walkways increases safety while also allowing you to show off the elegance that these walkways create on your property. This is particularly true when the pathways are made of lovely stones. Pathway spacing is the same as sidewalk entrance spacing. It is intended to provide just enough light to guide one to the outdoor living space without overlighting it. Staggering is vital. Number 3, stairs. The next area where we believe path lightings are required is on your property steps. Even those who are familiar with your stairs can find them unsafe in the dark. Adding lighting to these steps adds a level of safety far better than grabbing onto a handrail in the pitch black. When it comes to lighting the stairs, we don't want a fixture on every step. Instead, we want them to be spread out on the edges of the staircase, providing just enough light to safely go up and down the stairs and visually display the steps. Number 4, pool decks. Generally, this is the first thing that comes to mind when thinking of installing path lighting. Path lights and a pool deck work best when combined with other lighting fixtures, but are extremely important to consider in terms of safety. Placing the path lights in the ideal location improves the functionality of the pool area for both you and your guests. Light reflects in puddles, and if your pool deck or patio has wet spots at night, it might be nice to know that to avoid an accident. To illuminate your deck, you can use recessed floor lighting also. You can safely lead family and friends to your door and cast your home in a whole new light with a little knowledge and planning. But you can choose a landscape specialist for a truly inspired design. At TLC Incorporated, we love to personalize your lighting plan to your outdoor spaces needs. Use the links on the description below to contact us and request a consultation now. Let us know what you think in the comment box below. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thanks for watching. If you are enjoying these tips and tricks from TLC, hit the like and subscribe button to receive these weekly.